Hey guys, what's happening? How to use AI tools for automated content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy AI can generate blog posts, scripts, and social media content effortlessly. Here's how. Choose your tool. I'm gonna choose ChatGPT. Right? Pick an AI writing assistant based on your needs. Right? Provide a clear prompt. The better the prompt, the better the output. Refine and edit. AI generates the base, you tweak it for your brand voice. And then schedule content with AI driven tools like Notion AI or Buffer. Here's an example, right? Write a compelling YouTube video script about the future of AI in 2025, including key trends and potential risks. And just hit send, and you're gonna be able to see the final result, right? As you can see, you're gonna find it right here. AI streamlines content creation, saving time while keeping quality high. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next time.